Welcome to the lecture by Dr. Kamal Kumar from GNP Sir classes on Veterinary Extension. Today Dr. Kamal Kumar explains the Unit 8 and 9. Unit 8, Information and Communication Technology. Unit 9, Contemporary Issues in Livestock Enterprises. We start with Unit 8. Here are some definitions. Information kiosk, an interactive computer terminal that provides information to people. They are commonly used in public places like museums, airports, and shopping centers to offer information to visitors. E-learning, learning conducted via electronic media, typically on the internet. It encompasses a wide range of online educational activities such as online courses, webinars, virtual classrooms, and digital resources. CAD, computer-aided design, the use of computer systems to assist in the creation, modification, analysis, or optimization of a design. CAD software is extensively used in various industries such as architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. Virtual classroom, an online learning environment that allows students and teachers to interact in real time, typically through video conferencing, chat, and shared documents. Virtual classrooms enable remote learning and can simulate traditional classroom experiences. Virtual reality, VR, a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. VR technology immerses users in a virtual environment through the use of headsets and sensory stimuli, offering opportunities for immersive learning experiences. Multimedia, the integration of various forms of media, such as text, audio, video, graphics, and animations, into a single presentation or application. Multimedia is commonly used in educational materials to enhance engagement and comprehension. LAN, Local Area Network. A LAN is a network that connects computers and devices within a limited area, such as a home, office building, or school campus. LANs typically use Ethernet cables or Wi-Fi to connect devices and facilitate communication and resource sharing. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A MAN is a larger network that covers a larger geographic area, such as a city or metropolitan area. MANs are typically used by organizations or Internet Service Providers, ISPs, to connect multiple LANs within a city. WAN, Wide Area Network. A WAN spans a large geographic area, such as a country, continent, or even the entire globe. WANs use various technologies, including leased lines, satellites, and the Internet, to connect devices and networks over long distances. Internet. The Internet is a global network of networks that connects millions of computers and devices worldwide. It allows users to access a vast array of resources and services, including websites, email, file sharing, and online communication. Windsurf, teleconferencing. Teleconferencing enables real-time communication between people in different locations using audio, video, and text-based communication technologies. It allows for virtual meetings, presentations, and collaboration without the need for physical presence. Teletext. Teletext is a text-based information retrieval service transmitted through television signals. It provides news, weather updates, sports scores, and other information in a text format that can be accessed by viewer using compatible television sets. Radio text. Radio text is a feature of some radio broadcasts that allows text information to be transmitted alongside audio signals. It can be used to display song titles, artist names, news updates, and other information on compatible radio receivers. Video text. Video text refers to the display of text-based information on a television screen, typically accessed through a dedicated service or channel. It can provide news, weather, stock market updates, and other content in a visual format. Interactive cable distribution system. An interactive cable distribution system delivers television programming, internet access, and other services to subscribers through cable television infrastructure. It may include features such as on-demand content, interactive programming guides, and e-commerce capabilities. Satellite communication. Satellite communication uses satellites in Earth's orbit to transmit and receive data over long distances. It is commonly used for television broadcasting, internet access, global positioning systems, GPS, and telecommunications in remote areas. World Wide Web, WWW. The World Wide Web is an information system on the Internet that allows users to access and navigate interconnected documents and resources. It is commonly accessed through web browser and consists of websites, web pages, hyperlinks, multimedia content, and other resources. LAN, Local Area Network, 100 meters to 1 kilometer, 328 feet to 3,280 feet. LANs are typically confined to a single building or a small campus. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, 5 kilometers to 50 kilometers, 3.1 miles to 31 miles. Mains cover a larger area than LANs, such as a city or a college campus. WAN, Wide Area Network, 100 kilometers to thousands of kilometers, 62 miles to thousands of miles. WANs can span vast geographical distances, including entire countries or even continents. The Internet itself is a giant WAN. Now we discuss Unit 9. Gender versus sex. Sex refers to the biological differences between males and females, primarily determined by chromosomes and anatomy. Gender is a social construct that defines roles, behaviors, activities, and expectations associated with being male or female. These roles can vary across cultures and over time. Women play a crucial role in animal husbandry, often contributing significantly more than statistics reflect. Their tasks can include feeding and watering animals, milking and processing dairy products, cleaning and maintaining animal shelters, breeding and caring for young animals, marketing animal products. Gender sensitization. Gender sensitization refers to raising awareness about gender roles and inequalities. In animal husbandry, this involves recognizing the different needs, challenges, and contributions of women and men. Importance of gender sensitization. Empowering women. By recognizing women's contributions and providing training and resources, animal husbandry can become a more equitable and productive sector. Improved decision-making. Including women in decision-making processes can lead to more sustainable and effective animal husbandry practices. Better livelihoods. When women have greater control over animal husbandry income, it can improve household food security and economic well-being. Gender analysis. A gender analysis is a systematic study of the different impacts of animal husbandry practices on men and women. It helps identify gender inequalities and opportunities for improvement. Gender budgeting and mainstreaming. Gender budgeting ensures that resources are allocated to address the specific needs of both women and men in animal husbandry programs. Gender mainstreaming integrates gender considerations into all aspects of animal husbandry policies, programs, and research. Sustainable livestock production systems. Sustainable livestock production aims to meet the growing demand for animal products while minimizing negative environmental, social, and economic impacts. It's a complex balancing act that requires innovative practices. Concept of sustainability. Social sustainability ensures fair treatment of workers, promotes animal welfare, and supports the livelihoods of communities dependent on livestock. Environmental sustainability minimizes environmental footprint by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, water pollution, and land degradation. Economic sustainability maintains economic viability for farmers through efficient production practices and fair market access. Now we discuss the challenges of sustainable livestock production. First is environmental. Greenhouse gas emissions. Livestock, particularly ruminants like cows and sheep, produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas contributing to climate change. Land degradation. Overgrazing can lead to soil erosion, desertification, and loss of biodiversity. Water pollution. Manure management is crucial, as improper disposal can contaminate water sources with nitrates and phosphates. Social. Animal welfare concerns. Intensive livestock production systems can raise concerns about animal welfare and the ethical treatment of animals. Labor conditions. Livestock farming can involve demanding physical labor and potential safety hazards for workers. Social equity. Unequal access to resources and market opportunities can disadvantage small-scale livestock producers. Economic. Price volatility. Fluctuations in feed and animal product prices can affect farm profitability. Disease outbreaks. Disease outbreaks can cause significant economic losses for farmers. Competition for resources. Livestock production competes with other sectors for land, water, and other resources. Environmental consequences of livestock rearing. Greenhouse gas emissions. Livestock, particularly ruminant animals like cows, sheep, and goats, are major emitters of methane, a potent greenhouse gas with 25 times the warming power of carbon dioxide over a century. These emissions come from enteric fermentation, the digestive process in their gut. Land degradation. Large-scale livestock production often requires vast areas of grazing land. Overgrazing can lead to soil erosion, desertification, and a loss of biodiversity. Additionally, deforestation is sometimes used to create new grazing land, further impacting ecosystems. Water pollution. Livestock manure contains high levels of nitrogen and phosphorus. When improperly managed, this manure can contaminate water sources through runoff, causing harmful algal blooms and disrupting aquatic ecosystems. Water scarcity. Livestock production is a major consumer of water. Raising animals requires water for drinking, cleaning, and growing their feed. This can put a strain on water resources, especially in regions already facing water scarcity. Antibiotic resistance. The routine use of antibiotics in livestock to prevent and treat diseases can contribute to the rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. This poses a serious public health threat as these bacteria become less susceptible to antibiotics used to treat human illnesses. Now, let us talk about animal welfare. 5 freedoms of animal welfare are shown in the figure. The livestock insurance scheme was introduced in the 11th 5-year plan. However, at present, less than 1% of the country's cattle population is insured, and the average yearly premium is 4.5% of the insured amount. Governance refers to the use of information and communication technology, ICT, particularly web-based applications, to provide access to and deliver information, service to the public, business, other agencies and governmental entities faster, cheaper, easier and more efficiently. India Development Gateway, INDG, is a nationwide initiative of the Department of Information Technology, Government of India. ITCH. Governance refers to the use of information and communication technology, ICT, particularly web-based applications, to provide access to and deliver information, service to the public, business, other agencies and governmental entities faster, cheaper, easier and more efficiently. India Development Gateway, INDG, is a nationwide initiative of the Department of Information Technology, Government of India. ITCH.